Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, after too many failed attempts, you can enter the Google credentials. If you can't do it, then we can enter the recovery mode. So first, restart your phone, more like power it off. Remember that after the factory reset, all your data will be lost and wiped out. So if you can't afford that, then just it's better to visit authorized service center with a proof of ownership of your phone, or contact the brand support for account recovery options. Wait for your phone to fully power off, and now click the power on button and volume up button at the same time and hold it. And now, as you can see, we're in the recovery mode. So now with volume up, go to the recovery mode and volume down to select. It is opening the recovery mode right now. And in here, click the volume down button to go into wipe data and factory reset, and now select with power on button. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.